Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So Aimogen Pro just got a new update today for Omniblocks, and it is now able to save also WooCommerce products. So be sure to have WooCommerce active on your site when you test this, and you will find a new Omniblock type. It is called Save WooCommerce Product, and you are able now to add this to your Omniblock queue, and you will have many parameters to it: product name, description, short description, author ID, date range, slug, price, sale price, SKU, stock status, product status, categories, tags, featured image, product type, external URL, button text, the size, length, width, height, upsell IDs, gallery image URLs, manage stock quantity, enable reviews, purchase note, overwrite by title, to how to manage duplicates, and product ID, which will be overwritten if you select to overwrite duplicates. Okay, so you can do this like adding static values here or adding shortcode values which were produced by prior Omniblocks, but I'm sure that you are familiar already with Omniblocks if you are watching this video. But Omniblocks are a really powerful feature of Aimogen. If you haven't used them before, go ahead guys and check some tutorials because they are a really kicking feature. So let me show you this just in action. And we are also setting a price, a sale price, and we can leave the rest as default, but you can populate all the values with shortcode values from previous Omniblocks if you have them. Also, let me write here keyword. As you can see, the keyword shortcode will be used from here. Testing WooCommerce, and if we save this, a new rule was created with this Omniblock value. Okay, so keep in mind that you can add other Omniblocks before this Save WooCommerce Product Omniblock, and it will run the Omniblocks sequentially, and it will be able to use the values generated by previous Omniblocks in all these fields. So this is the magic of Omniblocks. Now let's just run this single Omniblock to show you that it will create a product for us. And we have here all these tester products. Let's run it. And if we refresh here, testing WooCommerce, price, and so on. Okay, so basically this is the latest update for Omniblocks. If you want a specific tutorial on this, let me know, as I showed you just the new Omniblock, and I did not show you specific usage for it. If you want any tutorials for this feature, let me know in the comments and I will do it gladly. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know also in the comments. I read them really often. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.